All right, guys, so let's keep going. And now I'm going to bring the all the models which are needed. I have made a folder you will find in the assets, and specifically the files of uh, this whole no, this course, and all these models are you can use them and you can import them. So I am going to copy this path, so it is easy. Just copy this path and in file import merge, and I will bring them one by one. So first of all, the body brush, and just when this window appears, just select and press OK. So let's keep them on the side so that we can arrange them later on. File import merge, this toothbrush, select all, OK, and it says merge material. You can rename it. To rename merge material and press bring this guy as well here. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Okay, too many polygons, right? Sad. Anyhow, uh, yeah, let's keep going. File, import, merge, and now ceiling light. We also need that light. Okay, press W to move everything on the side first. File, import, merge. Then we have commode. Click all, press W. Okay, commode is I think on the right place. Maybe we can keep it here, slightly to this side. Slightly down maybe. Let's see the image. Yeah, I believe this is in the right place. This slightly needs to move up. Okay. And one more thing I would like to do, I would like to just simply right click, convert to editable poly, so it is easy for us to move or shift if we wanted, because if still array modifier is there, it will take you a lot of time. Alright, let's keep going. File, import, merge. We have door. Okay, where is door? Okay, here we have it. Let's bring this guy here as well. We will adjust it later. File, import, merge, faucet, or select all. Okay, auto rename merge material, and let's move it on the right place. Okay, looks cool. File, import, merge, and the skincare set. All right. Okay, come on, boy. In the skincare set, we have these guys. Let's move it here. Again, file, import, merge, and the final thing is towel. File, import. Okay, one important thing, one very most important thing, that is, okay, we have the towel. That's cool. Good. The important thing here is that whenever you will bring these materials, maybe it gives you an error that your files are missing. So we need to relink everything, whatever you see here, with the folder with the help of plugin. So what actually happens whenever I save this information let's say in this folder, but you will not have the same path. That you might not have the Udemy folder, not new bathroom and everything, so you might face a little bit problem. So I would recommend you to go through this plugin. It is called Relink Bitmap, and as you can see, there are a couple of it is saying couple of materials are missing. So we'll definitely fix those. But what actually is happening, it is saying that some of the materials are missing, some of the textures are missing which you applied, but now they are not in this path. It will ask you the same. So all you have to do, you have to select this texture path, this path here, and click on this relink bitmap and browse here and simply paste that path over there, or find out the folder and select folder and press relink, and it will relink all the missing maps over there. Right now it's not relinking because these some of the uh, uh, maps of some of the deleted objects, so we don't really need those at the moment. Okay, so this is how you will do it. Now let's place everything in place. Just select this guy, bring it here, come to the front and see if it is on the right position. No, we need to move it a little bit down. Okay, good. Now we have this brush guy, right click, convert to editable poly as well, because array will not be supported, you know. So, and I will save. All right, save selected as brush. So you guys don't have to suffer about the, if you don't have 2024, it will still open in your laptops or computers. All right, come on, boy, we're waiting. Yeah, my students are waiting. Bring it here and move it slightly down, I would say. And let's try one more thing. I will group open, and since we have this as edit poly, I would just make it a little taller. Okay, and similarly with this guy as well. Just need to make sure that we extend this guy as well, the inner guy here. You remember? Okay, looks good. All right, now let's move the brush dude here back in into the brush, and let's make it another copy and maybe rotate it a little bit. Okay, perfect. And we have the ceiling light, we'll make it later. We got the towels and we're gonna move them. All right, here boy, maybe to this side. Let's go to the top view. Yeah, they're in the right place. And we have the body brush, the bigger one. We move it near the skincare products here. And in the front view, let's move it down a little bit. Okay, perfect. And lastly, Okay, I believe we messed it up a little bit, but we are gonna fix it, no problem. Let's let's add a door here, maybe a little bit to this side, and see how it looks like. Let's mirror this dude. Yeah, bring it this way. Okay, I think this looks good. It seems a little bit strict, but it is a bigger door, but we can add it. Just select the added poly and move it on the y-axis to the downward. Perfecto, we have a smaller door now. Okay, looks good. Now I press F4, select the added poly, select the edges. Okay, and let's try connect. Yeah, I hope this should not be an issue, but just need to make sure that everything is good and move it slightly upward. Okay, we are just going to close this gap so no light enters whenever we render this. Alright, so the thing which I was saying that we messed it up is not actually messed up, but we forgot to model it actually. This guy here, the mirror in between and this Ratan guy. Let's let's select everything here. Alright, and move it. Oh my god, faucet is still there. That guy is so annoying, okay? Okay, because we didn't select that poor guy, it's not his fault. Move it down and let's select everything and we call it, let's say group vanity. All right, next step is I am going to create a box, and this is gonna be approximately 65 centimeter, and in the height it should be 10 feet, and in the width it should be 1 centimeter. This is the mirror. Okay, just come to the top and bring it upwards like this. Okay, now one more thing, just copy it. I will explain later when we will apply material. I will make you guys realize why we did this and why it was necessary. Okay, so now we have the mirror in place, and now in the front view let's try a plane, but let's select this guy and plane. We created a plane for the same place. Now I'm finishing the isolate so we can see where we are placing. Just place very close to the glass, the mirror. Okay, and yeah, okay, I believe we need to adjust a little bit few things. So our mirror is right in the middle, so I'm just moving it to this side just to balance it. And now I will open the group and I will move this guy to the middle of the mirror. Okay, now move the towels, and I think these are fine. Yeah, so just wanted to make sure everything is pretty much aligned. And yeah, let's close the group by group close, and F3. Yeah, looks good. All right, so what's next? I believe we can make the floor in this video. Yeah, floor and ceiling we can make in the next one. All right, so let's go to the edit poly and select the bottom edge, this one. Okay, it's gonna take us a long time, but I'm going to select all the edges, the outer edges. Okay, all right, they're all selected, this one as well. And now I'm going to create shape linear. Okay, and I'm going to call it floor. Now I selected this floor guy, isolated this, and now I realized, okay, we have opening here. So what we're going to do is select the vertex and move the vertex to this point closest possible, or if you can snap, that would be great. It says close suppline. Yes, I want to close the suppline. Select all the supplines and press weld. Boom. Now if you apply edit poly modifier, it should appear as a plane, which actually we wanted. For you, if it doesn't appear, that means that somewhere your weld did not work. So make sure you check that it is welded properly. Okay, yeah, so we will copy this same guy here from the bottom to the top as well. That will work as a ceiling, but we will add the rest of the detail from the ceiling, which you could see here in this image, and this light in the next video. See you there. Bye bye.